Hey there, my fellow breakfast enthusiasts. Today, we're about to embark on an epic culinary adventure with a dish that's so easy even your pet goldfish could make it the overnight slow cooker breakfast casserole. But before we dive into the breakfast wonderland, let's meet our cast of characters. Drum roll, please. Oh, narrow of breakfast sausage, don't worry, it won't roll away. A whopping 30 ounces bag of frozen shredded potatoes because we're going big. A cheese avalanche of 32 ounces shredded Colby Jack cheese lovers. Brace yourselves. 8 to 12 eggs, ready to party. 2 to 4 cups of milk, altitude dwellers. Keep that milk carton handy. And just a dash of garlic salt for that bam factor. All right, folks, it's showtime. First, let's introduce our star, the breakfast sausage. Give it a standing ovation as it sizzles away. While our sausage is getting its groove on, grab your trusty slow cooker and lay down those frozen potatoes like it's a potato-themed red carpet. Pro tip, slow cooker liner, it's like a potato tuxedo. Next up, it's time to rain down cheese upon those potatoes. Cue the cheese a confetti. Our sausage is back for an encore. Half of it goes on top of the cheese and potatoes, making it a true breakfast symphony. We're not stopping there, folks. Layer those potatoes, sausage, and cheese like you're building a breakfast skyscraper. To add some spice to this breakfast fiesta, sprinkle that garlic salt like you're seasoning your morning commute with laughter. And now, for the grand finale, beat those eggs and milk together. It's the magic potion that's going to turn this culinary chaos into a breakfast masterpiece. Pour that eggy elixir all over our layered masterpiece. Let the breakfast bonding commence. Now, pop the lid on your slow cooker, set it to low, and let the slow cooker fairies work their magic. 8 hours later, you'll have a breakfast fit for a unicorn. Behold, the Pi CD Resistance, our overnight slow cooker breakfast casserole, ready to steal the spotlight at your breakfast table. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into this breakfast extravaganza and start your day with a chuckle. If you had as much fun as we did, hit that like button, subscribe for more breakfast shenanigans, and ring that notification bell like it owes you money.